How to mirror or flip video screen using CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can flip a video or mirror the video using the CapCut application. So let's start the process on how we can do that using the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to flip the video, first of all, you need to launch your CapCut application and select the video that you want to edit out. And after the video is selected, you'll be taken to the edit section of the CapCut. So here you can see I have added this video on my screen right now. So I want to flip this video. So in order to flip that video, you're just going to select the video. So after selecting the video and finding the white border beneath it, which means it is selected, on the bottom you'll be finding different edit options here. So on the bottom, you're going to look out for the option called transform here, which is in the middle of the volume and auto reframe. Just click on this transform option, and when you click on it, you'll be finding rotate, mirror, and resize option. Since we are mirroring our video, just click on the middle option, which is mirror, and you can see that my video has been mirrored. So that's how you basically mirror a video using CapCut. So you may also follow the same process in order to mirror your video using CapCut. Just follow this process in order to do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.